Hi, I'm Jackie Ochitwa, and this is my balloon unicorn tutorial. We're going to make it into a centerpiece, so we're going to start with a very simple base. For the unicorn itself, the body is made up of a 350 in white. The head is a 16-inch heart with a raisin inside, tied off at the top. For the ears, I just twisted up a white 260, made a pinch twist and 2 little loops. We're going to tie that into the top of that head. Once that's nice and snug, we're going to put it right on the body. Just like that. I should mention for the legs, you're going to want to make the back legs a little bit shorter than the front, just so it sits nice and straight. For the mane, I tied together 2 coiled 160s in wild berry, both ends tied together, and we're going to take the top and string it through the ears. Twist it around, take the bottom of it, and feed it through the neck area. Just like that. We're going to do that a couple more times. Just like that. For the tail, it's a similar story. We are tying together 2 coiled 160s, but we are going to push those ends together, twist, and feed them through those 2 pinch twists in the back. One more set should do it. So at this point, we are ready to add the horn. And we can actually attach it to the base at this point. So I just pulled a 260 in through the bottom. We're going to feed it through those legs. And at this point, you're ready for any extras. So I like to add some flowers, some 160 flowers. We are going to tie the 2 green ones together, leaving some slack in the middle, and those are going to go at the neck. So there's a whole bunch of different extras you can put in at this point. I made some little confetti balloons. We can tie those in. And we can also add in some coil balloons at the base. At this point, you are ready for the eyes. And the eyes are super simple. There's no right or wrong way to draw the eyes. I just like to put a solid black oval. An eyelash is nice. Also a nice addition is a little bit of edding white. And that's it. That is my unicorn tutorial. Thanks. The body is made from 2 350 Qs. You're going to blow it up until there's 6 inches left and start with 2 pinch twists. Followed by a 3-finger bubble, 2 more pinch twists, a 4-finger bubble for the legs, three fingers for the body, and you can actually cut off the rest. You're going to add in your second balloon at this point, which will be the back legs, and it is simply 2 pinch twists and 2 3-finger bubbles for the back legs. is your very simple unicorn body.